Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the different ways of removing items from the list using the pop or the remove methods. So right now what I've got is a vowel list that has got the vowels A, E, I, O, U and Y, and this pretty much prints out the list if it's got items in it or values or objects. Else it will just print it is an empty list. So it is not empty, so it is actually printing the values of our list. Now if I want to remove an item from the list, I can use the pop method. Now if you use the pop method, this argument index is optional. If you don't put that one, it will by default remove the last item of the list. So let me run the program again, and you'll notice that we've actually lost Y. Y has been removed from the list. Now if you want to be more specific, like you want to delete a specific index, then you can specify the index within the parentheses. So 0 means it will actually pop out the first item. So now we'll end up with just the middle four items in our list. Let me run the program, and you'll notice now we've got EI, so we've lost A and we've lost Y. So this is the list now. Now if you want to for example remove O, I could also specify the index. So the index now is 2. I'm no longer looking at this list because we've removed A and Y, so I'm looking at this list. So 0, 1, 2, now it's going to remove O. Let me run it. And now we are left with E, I, and U. Okay, so that's how we can use the pop method. It works with an index. And if you don't specify one, it will remove the last item by default. Now with the remove, the difference with the remove is that it actually takes a value or an object. So you see now it's taken a parameter as an object, and the value, which is any of these. You can specify any of these values. So if I want to get rid of U, I could specify U in here. So the difference is it doesn't work with an index, it actually works with a value. And now I'm going to run it. So now we are we've ended up with only E and I. So I could remove I, and let me run it first. So now we've only got E. And let's remove E. Now it will print that the list is empty. So let's run it. Yep, that's about it. I hope that was helpful for you, and I'll see you in future videos. Thank you very much.